In this video, we will learn how to use the past passive voice. First, let's look at an example of a past passive sentence and see how it is different from other sentences. The Terracotta Army was discovered in 1974. Notice that this sentence doesn't say who discovered it. The Terracotta Army is the subject of the sentence, and the sentence describes what happened to the subject. To make past passive sentences, we use was, were, plus the past participle. The train was delayed. All classes were cancelled due to the virus. We often use the past passive when who or what caused the action is unknown or unimportant. Let's look at some examples. My online bank account was hacked. Somebody hacked the account, but we don't know who. Was the oil changed regularly? Did someone change the oil? It's not important who. Let's compare active and passive sentences. Past active sentences describe what the subject did. Hiram Bingham discovered Machu Picchu in 1911. Past passive sentences describe what happened to the subject. Machu Picchu was discovered in 1911. In the past passive sentence, attention is focused on Machu Picchu and what happened to it. To say who or what caused the action, we can use by. Machu Picchu was discovered by Hiram Bingham. Let's look at some more examples. When was the universe created? The universe was created 14 billion years ago. Who was Star Wars directed by? Star Wars was directed by George Lucas. How many smartphones were manufactured last year? Over 1 billion smartphones were manufactured last year. Here is a homework assignment. Use the information to answer the questions in the comments section and I'll check your answers. Number 1. Who was the Mona Lisa painted by? Number 2. When was penicillin discovered? Number 3. When was the Taj Mahal built? Number 4. Who was the light bulb invented by? Number 5. Where were the first Olympics held? Answer in full sentences using the past passive. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.